Gikuyu nake akiuga ati rwambo rumwe rutikiambaga ndarwa na ni ngai kunyita ugeni niguo tukinyitanira hari kwamba ino ya maria makihanikite na magakiyumiria ituri itiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya umuthi nario akiri ni tariki 19 naguo mweri ari wa kimera kia mweri ngai kunyita ugeni no mbere ndaya njitikirie twamukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Na mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie ni ati
the consensus document of the Africa Climate Summit recently concluded in Kenya prescribed a set of transformative recommendations to align global capital.
Mutongoria bururi William Ruto gutithia bata wa uthii wa na mbere kigomano-ini kia urumwe wa mabururi na uria wari murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria guku bururi-ini ni Ezra Chiromba guthie na mbere gwikora haceke hihi ene gitumi kiriku.
I expect the Treasury to implement a tracking mechanism. Vehicles meant for service delivery should only be used for service delivery.
Na governor wa county ya Nakuru Susan Kihika kwanirira kugathika mitaratara makiria ya kuhurana na ungumania thirikari yake. Nĩ ngatho na ngai kunyita ugeni oro ringi no kiaranirie nani na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria wa Facebook ni @muthingi TV mohoro maya maigukinyira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kuma guku mucini wa Nairobi mwena wa Lavington ngikwamukira riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi na tukenjiria na maria tugikuhaririirie ni ati uria wakiri murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria guku bururi-ini Ezra Chiromba ni akirikitie kurugamio wira ruhonge-ini ruru kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio kana irekereirio ni muikariri giti wa bodi ya ruhonge ruru uikaine kana uikaine ta Mirimu Ngai kugerera ndumiriri yake augite ati maragikinyanirie itua riri thutha wa kigomano gikorio gitabanio tariki 18 mweri uyu gukiri uguo mundu kana gukiri uguo Christopher Wambua niwe kiamuritwo gikorwo akioya ithenya ria Ezra Chiromba gukorwo akirugamirira kwa ihinda. Ezra Chiromba aragikoretwo kana maya mokete tu thutha wa miaka kana wake gukorwo agitungata miaka 2 ruhonge-ini ruru na kuria aragitanyitwo gukorwo agitungata miaka-ini ina. Ezra Chiromba hau kabere agikorirwo akioya utungata uyu kana agikorirwo akioya utungata uyu mwaka-ini wa kana thutha wa kuhuruka kwa uria wakirugamirira ruhonge ruru uikaine ta Francis Wangusi thutha wake gukorwo akirugama kana akihuruka wira mwaka-ini wa 2021 ni riboti twagithie na mbere na kurumanirira nayo na ni tugikorwo tugikumenyithia na njira njega wona yagikinyanira na njira njega riu tugikorwo tugithie na mbere na ni ati nake kana ni tukirongore riboti ya mutongoria wa bururi ni Ndagitari William Ruto na ni ati urumwe wa mabururi no nginyanagia ucokaniririe utonga uria ugutwarana na kioneki kia ukuria kana ukuria mukinyaniru kiria kiiguanirwo niguo kurwa na thina wa ugaruruku wa riera bara cia kimabururi wongerereku wa thiri hamwe na ucokaniria wa utonga gikiro-ini kia thi yothe itemi-ini ria gukinyaniria na kioneki kia mwaka wa kana kioneki na ukuria wina umithio. Eno ni miario ya mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto na uria ukiariti ari mucini wa New York bururi-ini wa America kigomano-ini kia urumwe wa mabururi na kiria kiragithie na mbere bururi-ini uyu.
Provides a fundamental basis for
Heads of state and government, ministers, excellencies, distinguished guests, and delegates. I call to order Leaders Dialogue 3 of the High-Level Political Forum on Sustainable Development, convened under the auspices of the General Assembly, the SDG Summit, on game changers, applying science, technology, innovation, and data for transformative action. I am delighted to join this dialogue, a critical platform for us to reflect on the fundamental mechanics of transformation and resurgence. Kenya is one of the 6 countries which took part in the global pilot program implemented by the Global Alliance to Science Support, Technology, Innovation and Data for SDG roadmaps. We have been implementing a national economic transformation blueprint to transform Kenya into a newly industrialized middle-income country. Along the way, fundamental changes emerged, which unleashed new opportunities, disruptive threats, and complex risks, forcing us to reimagine our development paradigm. we have adopted a bottom-up economic transformation agenda which puts job creation at its core with agriculture, affordable housing, universal health coverage, manufacturing, MSMEs, the digital economy, and climate-positive growth as sectoral pillars of our implementation. This has unleashed
Ucio ni mutongoria wa bururi akiri kuria bururi-ini wa Amerika. Tukiume kuu tugicoka guku bururi-ini na ni ati atongoria kuma kaunti ya Bungoma ni makerutite mukana wa gutengemania ndereti bunge-ini ya kuhagurukwo minister wa maundu ma thi cia nanja niwe Faruthi kana Alfred Mutua hamwe na minister wa uruti wa wira wa muingi Florence Bori nikiria maugite ati ni kwaga uigiririki wira-ini wao maya mokete tu thutha wa thiku nini thutha wa mbica ya video na iria igithiite na mbere gutherema kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria igi anake atano na aria marakionania uria marakigirika mari mabũrũri-ini ma nanja.
Kwa nusu the senior principal and also the heads of teachers.
Waziri wetu wa foreign affairs. Waziri wetu wa foreign affairs, tuko na challenges mingi sana. Kuna vijana ambao hawana kazi hapa nchi yetu ya Kenya. Wanaenda kutafuta nje kazi ama vibarua. Tuko na very bad agents ambaye kazi yao ni kutafuta pesa na wanaenda kuuza watoto wetu katika hizo nchi za nje. Wakifika Kenya hapa wanadanganywa. Leta shilingi 20,000, leta shilingi 30,000. Wanawatafutia passports. Wanawapatia passports za kwenda Uarabuni kufanya kazi, either housemaid ama kazi nyingine ya mkono. Na wanaahidiwa pesa mingi sana. The moment wanaingia airport wako na passport ya Kenya. Wakifika ng'ambo hivi wananyang'anywa hizo passports. Kazi yenyewe uliambiwa wanaenda kufanya hawafanyi hiyo kazi. Wanawadirect different jobs. Kazi ambayo sio sautu. Na kwa fika huko sasa wamenyang'anya passport, hawana choice. Wengi wao wameuawa. Wengi wao tumezika Kenya wengi sana. We want to ask this able government. Na wewe Mutua waziri, kazi ya
wameambia balozi tuko na shida. Balozi hajasikia chochote. Wametuma barua pepe. Serikali inalala usingizi wa pono. Mimi nataka kuambia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na Mheshimiwa Alfred Mutua na waziri wa Leba kwamba tumepasua mbarika, na mimi mtu wangu wa Bungoma kama ako kwa orodha ya hao watu. I will come for you Mheshimiwa Alfred Mutua. I will hold you personally responsible. Watu wa Kabuchai tunaelewana. Na nikitoka hapa na Mheshimiwa Majimbo Kalasinga tunaelekea kwa Papa wa Roma, tumwambie sema neno moja tu Papa wa Roma na Alfred Mutua aone mazingaumbwe.
inaenda chini mpaka iguze kwa ground, aifungue mbele.
Naruo ruhonge rwa mithaiga guku bururi-ini ni ruonanitie kwaga kuiganira ni kuongerereka kwa ikuo iria ciumanaga na uhuthiri wa dawa hatari kihariro guku bururi-ini. Kigomano-ini gia kwaririria na thina uyu kiria gitabaneirio kaunti-ini ya Machakos anyitite mi matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ni maugite ati uhuthiri wa dawa na njira itari ya kihariro nicio cicungereire kuongerereka kwa ikuo ici. Na kuringana na Francis Demo uria niwe muikariri giti kamiti-ini ino igi uthurimi oro ndumwe na uthomithia wa muingi ni kanania kie o gukorwo kwaga makiregeria moko itemi-ini ria gutigirira ni marua na thina uyu.
We're here in a workshop. We're trying to develop a document that will guide pharmacy practice in this country. As you all know, medications now are considered as almost a third leading cause of death. There is a safety issue, and there is also an issue of inappropriate use of all medications. So we're trying to come up with a document or guidelines that will help us to ensure that we give the best of pharmaceutical services for this country. A big issue of drug-related morbidity or deaths that will come from this one. So the guidelines will address the safety issue. There's also an issue, you've had cases where drugs are expiring and are costing billions. There will be an issue of supply chain management. There's also the issue of manufacturing of poor quality products. This will be also partly be addressed. But more importantly, the area of primary care, primary health care, is a big focus under the UHC, in other words, the universal health coverage is very important. We also, in the public arena, we have the issue of public health as an issue, and we like the pharmacists and pharmaceutical technologists to be more engaged to provide to the community primary health care as well as public health.
Haya, na tũgĩtigane na icio ciĩgiĩ ũhũthĩri wa ndawa na njĩra itarĩ ya kĩharĩro, tũkĩrongoreria ciĩgiĩ ũthaitĩri wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie nĩ atĩ aikari a kaunti ya Nakuru nĩ makĩũrĩtio gũkorwo makĩoya kamweke ka mbura ĩno kana mbura ya kĩboboto na ĩrĩa ĩgĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩgĩthandana gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na gũkorwo makĩhanda mĩtĩ kũringana na Gikunjuro ũrĩa nĩ mũnene kana nĩ mũtongoria wa gĩkundi kĩmwe gĩa gũthaitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Augĩte atĩ kana nĩ atarĩirie ũhandi wa mĩtĩ nĩ ũgũteithĩrĩria harĩ kũhũrana na ũcenjia wa rĩera na ũrĩa ũgĩkoretwo ũkĩrehe maumĩrĩra moru gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Gikunjuro ũrĩa nĩ MCA wa kaunti ya Nakuru. Nĩ atarĩte aikari a Nakuru gũkorwo kana makorwo na njĩra ya kũgetha maĩ hamwe na gũtheria mĩtaro ya maĩ ma gĩko itemi-inĩ rĩa gwĩthemana na mũiyũro wa maĩ na ũrĩa ũngĩcũngĩrĩria hathara nene.
Mimi naitwa Alex Langat, mheshimiwa Masop Ward na leader of majority katika county assembly yetu ya Nakuru. As a ward, we actually aspire to plant like about 15,000 trees within the next 2 or 3 months. Na tayari tulishaanza hiyo mpangilio, tumepanda mamiti katika mashule kadhaa katika ward hii. Na upandaji wa miti nafikiri ni vyema, maana itatusaidia pia kuhifadhi mazingira yetu. Considering that miti iko na benefits mingi sana, inatupatia shadow, clean environment, pia inatusaidia pia kuweza kuleta mvua.
My name is Gikunjuro. I am the founder of Planet Patrons. As Planet Patrons, we are in different areas. We are in Kiambu County, we are in Nairobi County. We are also now in Nakuru County. We are targeting to plant 5,000 trees every year in each and every county.
I'm Susan Mugore Kimani, and I work with Planet Patrons as a program manager. At this time, we are blessed to have rainfall. Most part of this country, our beloved country Kenya, it's raining, and let's take advantage of this situation that we can plant trees. As you all know, when you plant a tree, you are going to get so many benefits. One of them being getting firewood. We can also get fresh air, able to make sure that that there is nothing like soil erosion like we have witnessed in some of the years back. As we approach the period of El Nino, as we have been told that we are having El Nino coming very soon, I would like to talk to people who live in places where it's usually affected by El Nino, and ask them to prepare themselves so that this time round it doesn't get us unawares.
Na tũkĩhiũke nginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia nĩ atĩ aikari a gĩcigo kĩa Laikipia ya rũgongo gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Laikipia nĩ magĩkĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari nene kũmateithĩrĩria kana kuongerera kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩheanagwo kũrĩ mũingĩ kĩa ngafu na kĩrĩa kĩheanagwo kũgerera ambunge a kaunti, na nĩ kũrũmĩrĩra kuongerereka kwa arĩa maragĩbatara makĩaria hĩndĩ ya ũheani kana hĩndĩ ya ũheani wa ceki wa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kũrĩ atumia na ikundi cia mbeũ njĩthĩ oro hamwe na indo ingĩ cia kũmateithĩrĩria nĩguo gũkorwo makĩambĩrĩria biacara nini. Maugĩte atĩ kĩgĩna gĩkĩ na kĩrĩa kĩheanagwo gĩtiragĩkorwo gĩkĩmaigana, na kũrĩa rĩu magĩkĩtie rĩtana gũkorwo gĩkĩongererwo itemi-inĩ rĩa kũmateithĩrĩria na nĩguo ona gwĩkũria nginya kĩwonjoria.
Kibasari mheshimiwa ameweza kuwatunuka kwamba mheshimiwa Jane Wangeshi Kagiri
tunaendelea kupatiana pesa ya basari ambayo tumepeana shilingi milioni 3 katika kaunti yote nzima, na ile pesa ya vikundi tutapeana ni ni shilingi bilioni 9 ambayo inatakikana isaidie wamama wetu, vijana wetu na hata watoto wetu ili waweze kujiendeleza.
Ila tuombi ni kwamba serikali iangalie kwamba facilitation ambayo wanapatia women rep, hiyo pesa kidogo ambayo wanampatia inakuwa kidogo sana, haiwezi fikia jamii ambazo zinahitaji zaidi. Kama vile jamii ya Wapokot, Waturukana, Samburu, wale ambao wanaishi katika hii area wana mahitaji mengi. Ukiangalia wote wanatazamia hiyo GAF. Na hiyo GAF ukiangalia pesa ambayo inakuja kwa GAF haitatoshelesha mahitaji yao.
Na tunamshukuru sana maana ametuletea maendeleo kubwa sana na ametufungua macho. Tunashukuru pia kwa fikura wamepokea mazawadi kama beehives, wengine wamepokea vikombe, masufuria.
Group na Mayana Women Group tumepata pesa ya mama. Tunashukuru, tunasema asante. Hiyo pesa tutaenda kununua naye shanga, tuanze kushona na kuuza. Tunasema asante na tunasema asante mama. Kina mama naona wakisaidika, wakipata hizo pesa wataendelea kuuza hizo mchanga, waendelee kusaidia watoto wao wa shule. Tukiuza tunalipa nayo watoto wa shule.
Primary school watakuja na watunuku.
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Laikipia niyo iragituhe kamweke twiko tugikiria oro hanini kuririkania githii na mbere na kwaraniria nani kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria go Facebook ni @muthingi TV ono ngikiyuka kwa WhatsApp number ni 0794442544 ikiandumiriri yakwa ni twiko tukiaraniria ningi ono ngikihũthĩra account yakwa @Murugi Job ũngĩkĩnjĩra ũragĩtwamũkĩra ũrĩ mwena ũrĩkũ no ngĩkorwo ngĩgũtambũra njĩtĩkĩria ngĩkorwo ngĩgĩikĩria oro hanini ndũgathiĩ ũrĩ mĩtambo nĩ amu ndĩragĩcokereria.
Mutorera-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tafarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe. Ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Na kokaguru karime gatihana karibu nake mumagari niyo nagira
tutaga wira wa kwendia hema negeka na dunia kini wira wa diraga na goko na yote
ni tutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni goko kwa Muthingi TV
nikio ni tugicemanagie o kiumia tabarira-ini ya mwihang'iri tuli na mwihang'iri witu agitutirithia thabari yake kinya hau akinyite
yandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda ki haria rugongo
ni oguku ceceni-ini ya Muthingi TV na nie Mwangi wa Murugi.
Gavidi ne muremi muramati na nie Njoroge na hindi ciothe ngwiraga njukaga gugubundithia maindo megie no remi na taririkana turagubundithia uremi wa mbembe tugabundithia wĩigi wa ng'ombe, wĩigi wa ngũkũ, wĩigi wa mbũri na maũndũ mothe mahana ũrĩmi. Hĩndĩ ciothe ũngĩkenda kũruta ũrĩmi kana kũruta wĩra wa ũrĩmi ũrĩa ũrakũrehera mbeca, ririkanaga gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩ Kenya ng'ima ũngĩgũbundithia ũrĩmi tiga Njoroge. Na ũmũthĩ ndĩrakwĩra ũmũthĩ nĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ũgwĩthomera, na kumikana gĩbindi gĩkĩ gĩgokaga kũrĩ we o Jumamothi thaa 8, Jumamothi thaa 8 thĩinĩ wa Mũthingi TV. Wĩthomere, wĩonere na ũhĩge na ũrĩmi. Ririkana gĩbindi nĩ kĩ? Mũrĩmi Muramati.
na nĩ twagicokereria Ngai kunyita ugeni oro ringi tugithie na mbere na maria tugikuhaririirie guko metha-ini ya Mũthingi TV ari Gikunjuro kia mohoro. Na riu ndirakenda tukiyuke nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kakamega ni ati atwarithia a nduthi kuma gicigo mbunge gia Sinyaru guko ni kaunti ya Kakamega ni makaire thirikari kumana na kuongerereka gwa thogora wa muturire na makiria mathogora ma maguta, undu uria maugite ati umatigite mahatiririkite na njira nene makiremwo kana aingi ao makiremwo ni kugomania miturire yao. Kuringana na aya aingi ao ni atwarithia a nduthi maugite ati ona kinyaniria ni makinyite gukorwo magitahwo nduthi ciao na iria magikoretwo magikomba na roni, undu uria riu macungirirwo kana aingi ao macungirirwo gwitiwo matari na mawira.
Mimi nataka niambie serikali ambayo tulichagua, niko na uhakika ya kwamba Mheshimiwa William Ruto uko na mzigo mzito sana ya kulipa madeni ambayo viongozi wengine walikuwa nakopa. Lakini sasa maneno ya mafuta Mheshimiwa imefanya maisha imepanda kabisa. Nataka niseme namna hii, sisi kama waendeshaji wa bodaboda, maisha ya watu wa chini imerudi chini, imepanda juu kabisa. Kama ni nyanya tulikuwa tunanunua 3.10, saa hii ni 1.10. Kama ni cabbage tulikuwa tunanunua shilingi 20, saa hii ni 50. Kwa sababu ya gharama ya transport. Na hii yote inaletwa na sababu ya mafuta. Kama iko kitu unaweza fanya, ama kama serikali yote, Kakamega County ama the General National Government, if there is absolutely anything you can do to assist the people who belongs to the lower mighty, kindly assist the people we are suffering.
Kwa majina ni Wilson Imoli, mkazi wa Shinyalu constituency, sub-county, Shinyalu, Kakamega district. Mimi ni mwendeshaji wa bodaboda. Cost of ya mafuta imenifanya hata bibi amenitoroka kwa nyumba kwa sababu mafuta iko juu, sina hata venye ndasalisha bibi pamoja na mtoto. Na pikipiki ilikuwa ya loan. Hiyo pikipiki imebidi sasa wachukue, mimi nirudi nyumbani na bibi ametoroka kwa nyumba. Sasa ameniachia watoto na ni kwa sababu ya mafuta tu peke yake ambayo imefanya maisha kila Mkenya haina uhai tena.
Cost of living imeleta wananchi wamepata shida sana. Kwa sababu hii ukiangalia hata ukipepa customer anakuambia mafuta imepanda, sipandi pikipiki. Sasa inabidi sasa to relax, hatuna kazi sasa.
Haya, tukihioke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Pokot na ni ati makiria ma aikari 3,000 kuma matura ma Leila ni gicigo bunge gia Pokot ya muhuro ni magitanyitwo gutungata kana kuguneka na utungata wa tabarira ya mai na iria igitanyitwo ikorwo ikiambiririo ni kanitha wa St George's Baptist. Tabarira ino igitanyitwo gukorwo igiteithiriria arutwo na makiria a cukuru wa secondary wa Kapsait iria kwa ihinda iraya ikoretwo ihingitwo kumana na utukana na wagi wa utungata wa mai oro ndumwe na irio kurumirira ng'aragu nene na ile igithiete na mbere kugomera matura matiganite.
Kwanza kwa majina naitwa Monica Katumet. Hii ni Kapsait Secondary School. Shule hii imekuwa ikipitia changamoto ya maji. Being an island, maji ni mbali na tungeweza kupata gratification water na Mungu kupitia Bramwell, Naomi na Pastor Terry ametuonekania, tumepata maji. Ukiangalia kuna toilets iko pale haijawahi tumika since 2020 kwa sababu tulikuwa na changamoto ya maji.
The first well I ever did was in West Bacat at Upendo Baptist Church.
Right in Orolo. Oh.
Yeah, that's my first well we did. Bramwell did that well too.
Tunafanya kazi kwa karibu sana na wahisani wetu kwa sababu bila uhusiano mwema kwa kusema ukweli hatungepata usaidizi kiwango hii. Hii maji inaweza kusaidia watoto wa hii shule na kulingana na historia ambayo nimepata hapa, hii maji imeweza kutatua shida kubwa sana ambayo shule imekuwa ikipitia.
This time round we really appreciate God because we have a brand new well, and this well is going to stay here for years and years. All of us shall die and leave this well. People will be having good water, and that is the happiness of my heart.
Wanakeigua rugambi rugakimenya hatikiri undu ungetiga gwicenjia kiratu tugikira kiarafa na tugikiruga nginya iharo-ini citu nakuo tugithurime uria maundu magikarite. Na ni ati kambuni ya Multi Choice na iria irugamireire kambuni ta GoTV oro ndumwe na DSTV ni meranire gukorwo makiagirithia mautungata mao na makiria kuri muingi, na u ni thutha wa gukorwo muharini wa mbere wa kuonania mbitika itiganite ta ligi ya ngerethanio EPL Serie A, na riu makiongerera mbitika cia Europa League mubango-ini wa GoTV Plus. Oho kambuni ino ni rutanirie uhoro wigie ukuria wa taranda kuria manyitite guoko athaki a ngerekano na gukorwo makimahe handu ha gukorwo magicionaniria.
No question would have been addressed. Ladies and gentlemen, that being said,
so the good thing is once again we're going to have all the 380 Premier League games on DSTV, and of course this is for subscribers that are on compact upwards. But again, we do have games across all the bouquets, including even customers who are sitting on light and access, who will get one game every weekend, and of course 2 games for those who are sitting on family, and all the way to compact, who will watch all the 380 games live on their platform.
So the Premier League is now available to literally
across to all bouquets on DSTV.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that one is special. A round of applause for that. Is now available across all bouquets, especially on DSTV.
So, there's been commentary on different languages. Of course, English with Martin Tyler, and of course, the famous Peter Drury. But of course, there's been an option for other languages like the Portuguese, Amharic in Ethiopia, Pidgin in Nigeria. But of course, now we also have an option to select our very own Swahili. I think this is something that we've been hearing on all our communication with our customers, be it face-to-face, on our social media handles, our call center, that they want to have a lot more of the EPL. And for the first time, we kicked off this new football season with a brand new package on a GoTV, which is a GoTV Super Plus, which is going to have all the 380 Premier League games for GoTV subscribers.
No, you need to say that again. GoTV has?
GoTV Super Plus will have 380 games of the Premier League for the first time.
Absolutely. Phenomenal.
Yeah.
All the 380 games will be live, and you can enjoy them on GoTV Super Plus. But not just the Premier League. We have more on it, right?
Yes. So once again, just like on DSTV, all these 380 games will be available on our GoTV Super Plus. But the light customers, the value customers will continue. They will also get one game every week of EPL. But our Max, our Plus customers will also get 2 games every weekend. So it doesn't mean just because you are not on GoTV Super Plus, you're not going to have the Premier Leagues. No. Furthermore, I think
timu ya mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini ya Nyarari iwekaine ta Harambee Starlets umuthi ni makimakarire merekeire bururi-ini wa Cameroon na ni mucini wa Doura magukorwo magithaka na timu ya bururi uyu iwekaine ta Indomitable Lioness na ni mbĩtĩka-inĩ ĩrĩa ĩgũkorwo kana nĩ meharĩria-inĩ ma mbĩtĩka cia gĩkombe kĩa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika mwena wa airĩtu. Timu ĩno ĩhũrĩtwo njeki nĩ gũcokereria kwa mũthaki ũĩkaine ta SC Akida ũrĩa ũthakagĩra timu ya FC PAOK. Tukakimendithĩria ũhotani mũnene mbĩtĩka-inĩ ĩyo kana hambatano-inĩ ĩyo ĩrĩa magĩkorwo magĩthaka na timu kuma bũrũri wa Cameroon. Na riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ Harambee Starlets nĩyo yagĩtwĩkĩra gaturumo ka marĩa twagĩkorwo tũgĩkũmathĩra na tũgĩcokanĩrĩria gũkũ metha-inĩ ya Mũthingi TV arĩ Gikunjuro kĩa mohoro. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩ gũgĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra nani ona ũndũ ũmwe na gũtwĩhokera wĩroreri waku na itanaumĩra. Njĩtĩkĩria ngĩkwĩre atĩ ta ũrĩa Gĩkũyũ akiuga atĩ kamamĩrĩria kaharũrũkagia mwatũ, nĩ wega ũndũ ũrĩa ũrenda gwĩka ũgeka ũtakũmamĩrĩria, nĩ amu nĩ harĩ gĩkinya handũ ugage atĩ ndarĩ na ihinda no ndiagĩkire. Koguo nĩ wega gwĩkaga ũrĩa weciria kana ũrĩa wabanga gwĩka ũgeka ihinda rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno ngĩkwendithĩria mahinda mega niĩ tũgĩcemania rĩrĩa cirĩkĩhanda thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ ngĩgũkũmenyithia marĩa mangĩ na magĩkorwo magĩkũnũkĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Ngĩkwendithĩria mahinda mega. Ngatho cia mwanya kũrĩ arĩa othe magĩkinyanĩria mũtambũrũko ũyũ wa Gikunjuro kĩa mohoro. Niĩ rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Murugi.